Candy Crush Saga is the most famous Android game. People would like to have it on their Android mobile. If you are loving all those Android video games and would like to download this Candy Crush Saga, we're going to see in this video how we can do that from Google Play Store. If you're having Google Play Store, just open it on your Android mobile, and in the search bar, just tap for Candy Crush Saga. Candy Crush Saga is the one which is very much famous in entire world. Just type it, you'll get it, Candy Crush Saga here, and it will be giving an option to install. Just tap it here, and based on your internet speed, this would be straight away installed on your Android mobile. Let's see, if you observe here, it's taking 90.22 MB of your data, and upon your internet speed, this would be very much faster in downloading. And after that, as soon as it gets downloaded on your mobile, straight away it will ask you to just go with the playing. Now the entire installation is done, and installing process is happening here. Upon installing process is done, straight away it will give you an option to play. Just that's all, boom, my Candy Crush Saga has been installed on my mobile, and I'm going to play it straight away. Just tap it here, and this would show you several options here to play the Candy Crush Saga. This is how the Candy Crush Saga looks like, and we have updated our terms. To continue playing, you need to confirm that you agree to our terms and conditions. Just it's a private policy, just accept it, that's all. Upon accepting, this will ask you to play the Candy Crush Saga here, and you can straight away go and play this one by just tapping the play button here. Retrieve my progress. If you have already done the play, you can always retrieve my progress. Just go and play. This says how the Candy Crush Saga will give you an option to play on your Android mobile. This is so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.